You vlogging? Yeah. It is currently 2:30 in the morning. As you can tell. Woo. Welcome to Schmidt vlog. It is currently really early in the morning. We're going to Haleakala. We're biking down the mountain, watch the sunrise. It's like 2:30 in the morning, or 2:40 in the morning. I'll hop on the other side. Quite the adventure today. Let's go. Gonna grab your camera, bruh?
No, it's gonna be here.
Oh, okay. Well, we made it to the place where we hop in the van and then we drive out to Haleakala. Then we bike down. Yep. It's raining. Sitting right on $2. Oh my goodness. What's up with that?
I'm filming you.
This
I'm filming you.
I'm recording you.
Okay. Dad got the front.
Because Dad's a turd. You little turd. The special reason why I took the back seat, because the back seat has 4 seats instead of 3 seats, so it's longer, so it's like there's more room for us big fat boys. I was just gonna put... Alright, I made it to the best spot. There's like no people here. Dark. I'm not scared that much because I have my phone, but I can't call anyone. I'm adventuring by myself. Came up here in this spot. It's really cool. Hey. What's up, buddy? Here we are on top of Haleakala. Oh yeah, it's amazing. I want to take more pictures. Switch it back. Dude, no. you have to hold it like this far. To get your whole head in the body. No, I want my face. You want your face? No, I'm just gonna get a time lapse. I'm a video dude. I just video stuff. Can I take pictures? Yeah, you can take pictures, but... And we're back in manual. Just kidding. Yeah. How are you, Dad? I'm doing fine. How are you, Alexander? Pretty good. Just can't wait for breakfast. Pre-breakfast, we got some English muffins, some egg and hash browns. We're going back downhill and on to the next breakfast. And that coffee is super hot. Now we're eating second breakfast. Second breakfast! But biking has been totally rad. I've got like up to like 60 miles an hour.
That'd be perfect.
Oh man. Alright, we just got our breakfast and it looks amazing. Done with breakfast. Going back to Paia to turn in the bikes. Stop at Costco. Now we're going back. Going back to our house.
I might want to get back to the room.
To hang out. Probably go swimming. Biking was definitely a 10 out of 10. 5-star out of 5-star.
So we bike down the mountain.
Definitely do that again.
Okay.
The drivers be silly. Coming, I'm coming, I'm coming.
Hello, all my lovely children.
So I ate dinner. Dinner was good. I went swimming. Swimming was good. Stubbed my toe and maybe broke it. That was not good. But always remember to continue life with a positive, happy attitude. Thank you for watching today's video. If you liked what you see, then subscribe. And if you don't, then subscribe anyways because it's fun. Drop a like on this video if you liked it. And...
I'm gonna have to check.
Okay, bye. You see that wheelie?